Hello guys, welcome to Coders Coding. Myself Tulsi. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Python, a while loop and for loop. So, as a list or array, we have to iterate entire the array while using the while loop and for loop. So, while loop and for loop both are used to check the condition. If the condition is true and execute the inside the loop, or else it will be terminate. Now I have to for what my concept here is and my requirement here is these are the IBM, Samsung, these are the items and then company names we call it as. So here I have to display all the names line by line and with the mapping with the index values. First I have to use while loop. I initiate 0 while I less than len companies colon. Then print companies. Like this, now I have to run this code. What I get the output is endless output. It will be repeating number of times. To prevent this one, I have to take here, I have to capture I. It will take of the execution and run the code. It will take only IBM. Why? Because IBM will be repeatedly, it will be displaying here. So I don't want to get this one. So now what I need to do here is, first I know I value. That means IBM, the index will start with 0. Then next plus 1 add, then get the Samsung, then plus 1 add Microsoft I get. So for that, I is the index, I equal to I plus 1, right? When I use this one, it will be adjacent value add 1 1 1 and display entire the list. Now stop the execution and rerun the code. Now I get the as IBM, Samsung, Microsoft, Oracle, and so on. Line by line, I get it. Now my requirement is the company names displays with the index values. For that, I have to use I and then run. Now I get a company name corresponding with the index values. The same way, I have to take a for loop for I in range of len companies. Then print companies way of. Now run the code. I get IBM, Samsung, Microsoft, Oracle, and so on. Is this correct output? Yes, is this is the correct output, but I need to map with the index values. Now, shall I run this code? I get the output same IBM, Samsung, Microsoft, Oracle. By the conclusion, a programmer can choose while loop and for loop based on this task. So, by using the while loop and for loop, we have to achieve the same output. Now, I got to clarify. I hope that you get clarified. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you so much for your valuable time.